Tell us a bit about Jamaican dance.
Yeah, man.
I want to learn how to dance like a Jamaican.
Yeah, man, I can teach you, man.
What do I got to do?
The first dance in Jamaica is known Della Move nor Burger. It is a skanking.
Where do we go from there?
You have butterfly, burger, tatty. I would like to try the tatty.
Like this?
The butterfly.
The butterfly. Okay.
So your legs
Yeah.
gonna be similar to the butterfly.
Okay. What am I doing with my hands while I do that?
The butterfly, yo.
So it's gonna go with it. So
Yeah, Jamaican.
so break it down. Give me one of them. I'll figure out how to do it, and then you can give me another one, and then we'll try it with some music.
Yeah.